Welcome bro, BetCryptice here. We continue on with the 0.1 to 100 Sol series. Join my TG and leave a sub if you'll enjoy. Also, I'm streaming daily on YouTube and on Twitch, so feel free to hop in when you want. Okay, we're in this 14 unicorn trade. Only with 0.1 Sol though. It looks like a multi-million dollar meme if you ask me. So I'm gonna stay in. The entry kinda sucks, that's why I only put in 0.1. But I'll update you on how it goes. This is currently up to almost a 2x. Unfortunately only on 0.1 Sol. And we lost some on dump trades earlier. But I don't know, maybe this goes to a couple mil and we get closer to being on 1 Sol. And don't mind these coins, these are my long-term holds that I bought before the challenge. I'm gonna move them to a different wallet so it is more clean. Okay, we round-tripped some profits. So unfortunately this went to like 1.2 million, but we're selling it at a loss. Because I wanted it to go to a couple million, but it didn't get there, so it's fine. And our current balance is like 0.47. Okay, we've been in like this Vatican mascot thingy. Made like, I aped super small. I aped this like for the meme 0.5 and there's this cat. And we're gonna ape it with 0.15. Oh my god, my entry has ran away because I wanted to, bro. This go through. Okay, instead of getting filled at 2.4, we're now in at 3.4 mil. But I'm gonna leave it because it looks like a sender, some Chinese weird cat. It looks so bad that I think it can send. Yeah, and it's getting crazy volume, so maybe we get like a couple X to 12 mil or something with this 0.15. This is a realistic Sol challenge, not overexposing, doing small amounts. So I'll update on this trade later. And like I said before, I'm gonna send these to another wallet. It's long-term coins, not part of the challenge. Okay, this is absolutely pumping and we're up almost 2x on small size, but you know, I don't know, I just looked at it and it looked good, it had potential. So when you got that intuition, you don't need to do that much thinking. This comes with time. But yeah, like I said, I think we're aiming for like 8 mil or something. 12, I mean I said 12 mil originally, but 8 would be nice. 8 would be nice with this 0.15. This would give us like a little boost to our balance. And yeah, I'm gonna go and remove these coins to a different wallet now. I had to do some switching around, so there is no confusion with this. Okay, I removed the coins to another wallet and now we're gonna sell half of this because it's pumping nicely. Okay, we got filled. Took our initial out just to secure the Sol and we're gonna let the rest ride to like 10 plus mil. I think it's gonna send. Okay, we're up nicely and I'm on 0.81, so I wanna take this. Damn, I wanted to take, so we take 0.19. Okay, at some point in the video my NFT sold in the Sol wallet and I got extra Sol that I didn't notice, so that's why it's a little more than it should be. But keep watching because it's gonna get balanced out, no worries. So, second episode, not going bad, because we were down to 0.57, I think, and we're back up, let's go. Okay, here I was streaming and we didn't really get in any great trades. Nothing special happened, just like lost a little bit here, lost a little bit there. And I'm just gonna speed this up. It's just been a couple hours of a stream, but we didn't really get any profits. Okay, I took a couple of bad trades again, but we got this token. It looks quite interesting. It's related to the unicorn fart dust, so I'm trying to ape. And okay, we are in. I think it's a sender. It goes to like a couple mil. Okay, this is sending like crazy to 1 million. And because we're wild, we're adding 0.15. The chart is looking fire. And now we're up only 0.1 because I undersized here, but whatever. And we might switch our fart book into this. Yeah. Okay, we added more on this dip. And send it. This is most of the challenge wallet. So we got in almost half a sol. I'm gonna set a TP for the initials on 1.5 mil if it gets there. Okay, we're cheating because it seems like it's not gonna send. So we end up taking a loss on this. And this is also dying. So we're gonna take a loss on both. And we're back down to 0.36. But we'll clutch it up. We'll clutch it up. Okay, there's this interesting play, NKY. And we're getting in right here with 0.15. Again, the mistake from the previous trade was I oversized and we lost a lot of our port. Earlier on the stream we did some bad trades. So it's just a good ticker. It went to 1.7 mil, but I think it can go for another run. Okay, never mind. It's not looking too great, so cheating the 0.1. We're down to like 0.29. Wait. 0.20, okay, 0.28. There's some new thing migrating. Let's check it out. Never mind, it's super bundled. We're not getting in. Okay, and I think we're gonna be ending this here. So I think the main mistake was just trading out of boredom and I wasn't really focused. So I was just switching around coins. And some of the coins that I aped in have played out and would have been a nice dub, but I didn't hold into them. So even though I'm playing with a small port, I should have patience, build it up. That's gonna be it for the video. Thank you for subbing, bro, and thanks for watching. You can join the TG if you're not there yet. A lot of more banger vids are coming. But besides that,